Get ready to indulge in a colorful celebration. In this video, I will show you how to create a stunning two-tier rainbow theme birthday cake design by using cream frosting. From vibrant violet to bold red, we will guide you through unique and creative decorating ideas that will make your cake the star of the party. So, watch the video till the end. In this video, I have used specific cake designs like ombre rainbow cake, rainbow layers, floral rainbow, geometric patterns, and rainbow drizzle. For decorating techniques, I have used piping, fresh fruits, edible flowers, and chocolate shades. These cakes are perfect for birthday parties, kids celebration, pride events, and anyone who loves colorful and cheerful colors. So, if you like any of the cake design, then watch the video till the end and a screenshot of a cake which you like the most. All the cake designs are so unique and easy to make. So, if you like any of the cake design, then take a screenshot of it and make a cake for your celebration like that. And if you want more such cake designs, then please visit my YouTube channel. I have uploaded many such videos on rainbow themed cake designs and even different type of cakes. I have uploaded so many videos on different type of cake design, different color theme, and even birthday decorations. So, if you work on a cake gallery or even as a birthday decorator, then this channel is for you. Learn how to decorate a stunning birthday cake in just a few easy steps. These cakes are perfect for beginners. I will guide you through unique and creative decorating ideas that will make your cake like a pro. All the cake designs are so easy and beginners friendly. Hope you liked my video. If you like it, then subscribe my YouTube channel and share this channel with your friends and family members. And you can even follow me on Instagram too. Thanks for watching.